Hello students, welcome back to the class on Entrepreneurship Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In the previous presentation, I gave you a brief idea about the types of entrepreneurs. And here, I will explain to you in detail about the different types. The first type of entrepreneur is imitative entrepreneurs. These are entrepreneurs who copy the innovation of other innovators and term them as their own. They do not create any creative work by themselves, but tend to imitate others. Innovative entrepreneurs. These are entrepreneurs who are creative and innovative. They always think of creating new and unique. Drone entrepreneurs. They are entrepreneurs who are reluctant to change in spite of the change in the current scenario. They are stubborn and prefer to run their business the way it is, and therefore they suffer huge losses. Fabian entrepreneurs. Such entrepreneurs are skeptic about taking steps unless and until they are definite it would be a loss if steps are not taken in time. These are some of the general types of entrepreneurs: imitative, innovative, drone, and Fabian. Now I will tell you about the entrepreneurs according to the type of business. One is business entrepreneur. Business entrepreneurs are individuals who conceive an idea for a product or service and then create a business to materialize the idea into reality. They may set up big establishment or small establishment units. They are also called small business entrepreneurs when found in small business units such as printing press, textile processing house, advertising agency, and so on. Number two, trading entrepreneur. The trading entrepreneur is one who undertakes trading activities and is not concerned with the manufacturing work. He identifies potential market, stimulates demand for his product lines, and creates a desire and interest among buyers to go in for his product line, and creates a desire and interest and buyer and thus engages in both domestic and overseas trade. Industrial entrepreneurs. Industrial entrepreneur is essentially a manufacturer who identifies the potential needs of customers and tailors the product or service to meet the marketing needs. Corporate entrepreneur. Corporate entrepreneur is a person who demonstrates his innovative skill in organizing and managing corporate undertaking. A corporate undertaking is a business firm which is registered under some statute or act, or which gives a separate legal entity. Last is agricultural entrepreneur. Agricultural entrepreneur are those entrepreneurs who undertake agricultural activities as raising and marketing of crops, fertilizers, and other inputs of agriculture. They are motivated to raise agriculture through mechanization, irrigation, application of technologies for dry land agricultural products. So these are some of the types of entrepreneurs. Thank you very much.